Losing your precious photos, contacts, and important data when your iPhone takes a tumble is a nightmare. But today, we're preventing that disaster by showing you exactly how to back up your iPhone to your PC or laptop. First things first, grab your iPhone and the USB cable it came with. Connect your iPhone to your computer. If this is the first time you're connecting these two devices, you might see a prompt on your iPhone asking you to trust this computer. Tap Trust and enter your passcode if required. Now, on Windows, you'll need iTunes. If you don't have it already, download it from the Microsoft Store. Once installed, launch iTunes. In iTunes, you should see a small iPhone icon near the top left of the window. Click on it. Next, in the summary pane, find the backup section. Select this computer to back up to your PC. It's crucial to encrypt your backup to safeguard sensitive data like passwords and health information. So check the box next to encrypt local backup and create a password you'll remember. If you're on a Mac running Mac OS Catalina or later, iTunes is gone. Instead, open Finder. You'll see your iPhone listed in the sidebar under Locations. Click on it. Similar to iTunes, find the backup section. Choose backup all of the data on your iPhone to this Mac. Again, for maximum security, select encrypt local backup and create a strong password. Now, whether you're using iTunes or Finder, click backup. Now the backup process will begin, and this may take some time. Depending on how much data you have on your iPhone, just let it run. Once the backup is complete, you'll see the date and time of the latest backup in iTunes or Finder, and that's it. Your iPhone is now safely backed up to your computer. You can restore your iPhone from this backup. If you ever need to, stay tuned for more helpful tips.